Hey there, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today I'm going to show you how to use one of my surprise pack kits that are now available in my Etsy DIY shop. Here's another example of one of my kits. This one comes with a pendant that I made with flat wire. Each kit includes a pendant, either one's made in tutorials or one's from my archives. I'll put the link on where to get the kits in the description below the video. And without further ado, I'm going to show you how to use the materials to create beautiful earrings and a necklace. The kits include 2 feet of 7-strand beading wire, several 2mm sized crimp beads, one 8mm split ring, an extender chain, and a lobster clasp. I am using the Beadalon Glimmer Series nipper tool, their micro crimper tool, and their slimline chain nose pliers. I'm going to demonstrate the Dichroic Dreams surprise pack. Everything you need is in the bag. We have all the findings and the pendant and the beads. This one is dichroic glass that I actually made myself, and it's grooved on the side and set with the wire. I have the beading wire. There's enough to make a necklace. And I have the extender chain, the lobster clasp, and the crimps. I have head pins and earring hooks. We were going to start by making some earrings. I'm just clipping off the end of the head pin, and I'm going to make a loop. I'm doing this because the type of bead I'm using is going to dangle down from that loop. And then we're just going to open up the loop and hang on this specialty bead. Keep in mind all the kits are different and have different kinds of beads. Now I'm going to stack up some other beads to make a nice design. You're going to have lots of choice with the kits, and you can intersperse them with your own beads. So we clip that to about 1/2 inch, and we are going to make a centered loop at the top so we can hang them off an earring hook. Just adjust it as you need. And I'm including surgical steel earring hooks. You can make your own hooks if you prefer. And for the other simpler style, I'll just use the head pin as is and stack up some beads. There's a funky square bead in here. Lots of different variety and choice. Clip the end to about 1/2 inch. Get your bail making pliers or round nose pliers and make a centered loop at the top. Pinch it so it's closed. Open up your hook and put on your earring. I'm including also little plastic stoppers for the backs, and they're the 2 kinds of earrings from this pack. Now I'm going to take the pendant, and this one I decided to hang it directly off the wire, so I bent that at a bit of an angle so it's perpendicular to the pendant, and I'm going to add beads. You can pre-arrange the beads on a beading tray if it's easier, and go ahead and make any kind of pattern that you like. I like to intersperse them with some metal spacer beads as well. And we're going to go till we have about 2 to 3 inches of beads on either side. I don't like to bead the whole wire. I find it gets very heavy. So we're just going to do a nice little pattern until we're happy with it. I like the cat's eye beads as well. Some of the kits have cat's eye and miracle beads. And now we're going to add our 2mm crimps on there. I'm taking the micro crimping tool from Beadalon to crimp those beads in place, and that will hold the beads and the pendant in the center of the necklace so it won't slide around. We crimp it, turn it, and crimp it again to make sure it's firmly in place. You can trim the beading wire to the length you need so they're even. Put on a crimp and then the hook and then we put the end of the beading wire back through the crimp. This is how you make a nice finish on your necklace. So put it back through the crimp. Make sure it's right to the end there with not too much sticking out. And then we'll get our crimping tool and give it a pinch firmly. And then we'll twist it halfway and pinch again. So now the crimp is firmly in place. And then we're going to do the other end. So we'll put the crimp and then the split ring. Take the end with your chain nose pliers, feed it back through the crimp, and crimp it with the micro crimping tool. Pinch and turn and pinch. So it's firmly in place. Now I'm going to attach the extender chain to the split ring. We can close it up. And there you have your beautiful set and some extra beads to do what you want with. You can find all these surprise packs in this section of my shop. Here's some more examples with different colors and different pendants. Here's one with a guitar pick, one with some grooved glass. This one is an agate pendant. This is a nice beaded pendant, crocheted wire pendant, a flat wire cross, a grooved glass sun pendant, and many, many more. Thanks so much for watching the video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY wire art and jewelry making videos. Be sure to check out the kits in my Etsy DIY shop. I have the surprise packs and other kits to make earrings and bracelets. I also have templates, tutorials, and ebooks to create all kinds of cool wire art and jewelry. Join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook to share photos of your own wire art and jewelry. I always love seeing what you guys create. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.